Welcome to the delectable world of baking, where precision meets passion, and the right tools make all the difference. In 2024, the art of baking has evolved, and enthusiasts are continually seeking top-notch equipment to enhance their culinary endeavors. Among the essential kitchen companions, baking and cookie sheets play a pivotal role, ensuring that your creations rise to perfection and your cookies achieve the ideal balance of chewiness and crispiness. In this guide, we present the creme de la creme of baking and cookie sheets in 2024. 5 exceptional options that have garnered acclaim for their innovative features, durability, and ability to deliver mouth-watering results. Let's delve into the world of baking excellence and discover the top 5 baking and cookie sheets that have captured the hearts of culinary enthusiasts in 2024. Number 5. Premium Nonstick Baking Sheets Set of 3 Deluxe BPA-free, easy-to-clean racks with silicone handles. Bakeware pans for cooking. Baking roasting lets you bake the perfect cookie or pastry every time. Baking sheet. Bake with ease. Prepare your favorite desserts and staple dishes the convenient way with our kitchen essentials. Each cookie sheet set provides you with 3 nonstick baking pans in various sizes. Cookie sheet made to last for longer, crafted with 0.5 mm carbon steel with nonstick gray coating. Our baking sheet set can stay with you for many years. They're guaranteed oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius. Baking sheets designed to delight you. Bake delectable cakes and pastries with added confidence by choosing our baking sheets nonstick set. They're designed with silicone handles for easy and safe handling. High heat baking pan. The cookie sheets are oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The perfect temperature for most baking, oven roasting, and toasting. Quality bakeware. These cookie pans and every other piece of Farberware are Bakeware dependably uphold a distinguished tradition of reliability, value, and performance to keep you baking for years. Number 4. Farberware Nonstick Bakeware Set. Nonstick Cookie Sheets / Baking Sheets, 2-piece, gray, durable cookie sheets. Heavy-duty construction of this bakeware set meets the demands of the busiest kitchens to keeping to baking, oven roasting, and toasting for years. Set includes 2 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pans, nonstick bakeware, nonstick inside and out. These cookie sheets by Farberware delivers great food release with quick cleanup so you can enjoy your baked or roasted goods quicker. Number 3. USA Pan Bakeware Half-Sheet Pan. Warp-resistant nonstick baking pan, made in the USA from aluminized steel 17 1/4 x 12 1/4 x 1, classic half-sheet pan for baking and roasting cookies, vegetables, and cakes, commercial grade and heavy-gauge aluminized steel. Half-sheet pan has a corrugated surface facilitate air circulation for a quick release and evenly baked goods. Easy food release. Roasting pans feature long-lasting all-over nonstick for excellent food release and easy cleanup. Get a grip. Bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles on the pans provide a confident grasp and are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel-good baking set. A portion of the proceeds goes to Yummo, Rachael's nonprofit that helps kids and parents develop healthy relationships with food. Quality assurance guarantee. Number 2. Rachael Ray Nonstick Bakeware Set with Grips. Nonstick Cookie Sheets / Baking Sheets, 3-piece, gray with sea salt gray grips. Set includes 9-inch x 13-inch cookie pan, 10-inch x 15-inch cookie pan, 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pan. Long-lasting cookie pan set. Baking pan set is made from durable steel that resists warping. Long-lasting nonstick provides excellent food release and easy cleanup. Easy food release. Roasting pans feature long-lasting all-over nonstick for excellent food release and easy cleanup. Get a grip. Bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles on the pans provide a confident grasp and are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel-good baking set. A portion of the proceeds goes to Yummo, Rachael's nonprofit that helps kids and parents develop healthy relationships with food. Quality assurance guarantee. Number 1. Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial Baker's Half Sheet, 2-pack, silver. Natural's commercial bakeware is made of pure aluminum which will never rust for a lifetime of durability. For sweet or savory baking, from cookies to sheet pan dinners, this is the pan you'll reach for. Her foods bake and brown evenly due to aluminum's superior heat conductivity. Reinforced encapsulated steel rim prevents warping and adds strength. Compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats if desired. Easy cleanup, hand wash recommended. Pan exterior dimensions 17.9 by 12.9 by 1 inches and interior dimensions 17.1 by 12.1 by 1 inches. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware. Aluminum is reactive to acidic ingredients such as vinegar and tomato products. These foods may darken, pit or corrode the pan after prolonged use.